Hi, I'm Haley Boudreau, and today we will be making orange cream pie. For the crust, you will need Kalona Supernatural organic butter, graham crackers, vanilla, and orange zest. For the filling, you will need orange zest, sugar, pomegranate orange Greek yogurt, and whipping cream. Your first step is going to be to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. When that's done, you're going to start with the graham crackers. Take 2 pieces of parchment paper or wax paper. Place the graham crackers in the middle. Another piece of parchment paper or wax paper over top, and use a rolling pin to crush the graham crackers. Once your graham crackers are ground into a fine texture, place into a medium-sized bowl. The next step is to melt the butter and place in the graham crackers. Stir until all the graham cracker crumbs are coated. Add half an orange of zest, vanilla. Stir until all ingredients are combined. Add the graham cracker mixture to a glass pie dish. Spread evenly, including up the walls of the pie dish, pressing lightly until the graham crackers are firm. Next, place your pie crust into the oven for 12 minutes. Next, we're going to start the filling. For best results, keep a metal or glass bowl and whatever you're going to use to mix it with in the freezer for 30 minutes before you start the filling. Use a hand or stand mixer to whip the whipping cream. Start slow and work your way up faster until small peaks form. Now you're ready to fold in your yogurt. Mix in your orange zest and your sugar. Use the mixer to mix thoroughly. Once your pie crust is cooled, you can feel free to add your whipped topping at any time. When your pie crust has cooled, add the whipped topping to the middle. Make sure you let sit for at least 1 hour before serving. After your pie is set, you're ready to serve. Garnish with oranges or another fruit for a sweet treat. Thank you for watching, and for more recipes, check out KalonaSupernatural.com.